Hello and welcome to the Foreign Interference Attribution Tracker, built and supported by the Atlantic Council's Digital Forensic Research Lab. This is an interactive open source database that captures allegations of foreign interference relevant to the 2020 election. This tool assesses the credibility, bias, evidence, transparency, and impact of each claim. My name is Emerson Brooking, a resident fellow at the DFRLab. While simply scrolling over this data visualization is interesting, I want to show you how to get the most out of this data. All cases must involve allegations of foreign interference by primarily digital means, be considered novel, and be relevant to the 2020 election. As you can see, this tool includes a timeline, a map, and a spreadsheet view. This is all dynamic. If you change one part of the viz, other parts will update to reflect that change. Let's start with the timeline view. Note the circles rising out of the timeline of various size, height, and transparency. Each of these circles represents a case of alleged foreign interference. The size and height of the red circles indicate the attribution impact. This measures the cumulative spread that a particular claim received in its first week. Each ring around the circle indicates respective performance on Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit. By hovering over or clicking on a circle, we bring up a detailed case view. This enables us to see details about the claim. At the top of this view, we can see a breakdown of the case's attribution score, evaluated by credibility, objectivity, evidence, and transparency. By clicking here, we can bring up a full breakdown of the 18 true or false statements that are used to determine the attribution score. Below the circles, you'll see a timeline and a map. Click and drag over the timeline to get a zoomed-in view of foreign interference attempts during that time period, as well as major events that could affect the election in that time period, such as the Iowa caucuses. The map visualizes cases via these lines connected to particular disinformant nations. The more lines a particular country has originating from it, the more it has been implicated in allegations of foreign interference. Click the dots on individual nations to show only cases originating from that country. For example, we can see there are currently 37 cases originating from Russia. Note that, by doing this, we've applied a filter to the data, which automatically restricts visibility across all four elements. You can apply a wide range of filters based on who made the allegation, whom it was made against, and how reputable it might be. This tool was created in service of the DFRLab's mission to identify, expose, and explain disinformation and promote objective fact as the basis of governance worldwide. The tracker will be regularly updated as further allegations of foreign interference in the 2020 election are made public. Thank you for checking out the Foreign Interference Attribution Tracker with me today. We hope that you find it useful both now and through the election season.